Yo, what's up guys? Joey here, back at it again with another PC build. I hope you guys are doing well. So the main star of the show for our PC build would have to be the Ryzen 5 3600 CPU. This is a 6-core CPU and it also comes with a stock AMD heatsink. So for our storage guys, we just went with a single 240GB SSD by ADATA. I have used their SSDs in previous builds and they're pretty reliable and they're also pretty affordable. So for our motherboard, we went with the B450 chipset. So this motherboard already has the IO shield pre-installed, so that's cool. And it also has plenty of USB ports, 8 in total. So for our RAM guys, we went with 16 gigs. This kit's rated at 3000 megahertz. We went with the Corsair Vengeance LPX low profile RAM in the white colorway to match our theme. I usually pick this RAM because it's just reasonably priced, good bang for your buck. So as far as what's gonna provide all the juice for our build, we went with the EVGA 650 watt bronze rated power supply, which is plenty of juice for our build. So moving on to our graphics card guys, we went with the GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. This is the one by MSI in a black and silver colorway. I like the way the backplate looks. As far as the ports, we have one HDMI port and 3 display ports. It's a pretty small GPU and it also doesn't need that much juice. We just need a single 8-pin power cable and that's it. So yeah, a tiny little card, but it's gonna push quite a bit of frames in 1080p. You'll see what I'm talking about when we test out the game. So for our case guys, we went with the NZXT H500. Pretty sleek and simple case. All right guys, so that concludes our parts introduction. But as far as extra parts we chose to go with for our build, we went with a Funko Pop, custom power supply cables, and an RGB LED strip.